Matt from Bonaire. Hi, Matt.
How you doing?
Doing well. How are you?
Oh, I can't complain.
Good. Go ahead with your question.
Well, my question I have is I was just recently in the hospital for a carpal tunnel and trigger finger surgery. And after the procedure was over and they brought me back to the room, they almost let me die. Due to the fact that when they placed me on the bed, after having all the medication in my body, my lungs started to fill with fluid. And I found out that I'd been overdosed with anesthesia and pain medication.
Okay. And
when they did finally get me back, they didn't put any type of telemetry on me or any type of monitoring system. I have a pacemaker and a mechanical valve.
Okay. Okay.
And I didn't even go to ICU overnight since I was so close to death.
Okay. So you want to know if that's a possible case?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, I think the first question that comes to mind in the situation you described is, again, looking at damages, because, you used an interesting word. You said, I almost died, and not to make light of that, but damages have to be pretty precise. They can't be speculative, so you can't really recover for what almost happened. But if you did sustain some damages, some physical or injuries, internal injuries or whatever, as a result of that situation, then that could be a possible case. But again, not to sort of give you a standard answer, but this is really the answer, and that is get the records, get with an attorney, so the attorney can evaluate it and just see if you actually do have a case. But again, you have to be able to show damages, not just that someone screwed up. That's not enough. You have to be able to prove liability and damages. And that's the question in your case, whether or not there are going to be damages that can be proved.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must be paid by the client.